Family sharing on Dashlane allows multiple users to share passwords and other information securely. Follow these steps to enable this feature for your family. Step 1. Create a Dashlane account. If you haven't already, download the Dashlane app and create an account. You will need to provide an email address and create a strong master password. Step 2. Subscribe to a premium plan. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Access family sharing settings. Once you have a family plan, open the app and navigate to the settings menu. Look for the family or family sharing option to manage your family group. Step 4. Invite family members. In the family sharing settings, you'll find an option to invite family members. Enter their email addresses to send them invitations to join your family group. Step 5. Accept invitations. Family members will receive an email invitation. They need to accept the invitation and follow the instructions to join your family group on Dashlane. Now you can enjoy the benefits of sharing passwords and other information securely with your family.